This Phantom wallet? $1.27 million deep, and every dollar came from launching meme coins. No hype, no luck, just a strategy that works. Watch closely because I'm about to show you the full breakdown. Meme coin trading? That's just a guessing game. You click in, hope for a green candle, and pray you're not the last buyer. But launching? That's real control. You choose a token name, set the liquidity, and watch buyers come to you. It's not about catching the wave, it's about creating the wave. After launching my first few tokens, I never looked back because the money was too good, to be honest. I stopped trading and started winning. That's the move. But obviously this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Please don't copy me, cap! Launching on Pump.Fun feels like yelling into a void. Everyone's coin looks the same, and the second yours drops, it's already old news. But on createtokens.fun, you're skipping all that noise. Your coin goes live on Raydium immediately. Not later, not if it performs, immediately. That alone is a cheat code. It means instant access to deck screener, real-time price movement, and no bonding curve dragging you down or wasting your time. While on Pump.Fun, coins are fighting to be noticed, yours is already being traded. It's not even close. You want better visibility, better reach, better chances of real volume? Then this is a platform that actually gives you all three. So when it comes to creating your meme coin on createtokens.fun, you've got two solid paths. Option 1 is simple. Start from scratch. You pick a name, something catchy or hilarious, right? Then a symbol right here, just a few letters that match the vibe. Upload a 128 by 128 image as your logo, and that's the face of your coin. Now obviously right here I'm just doing a quick example, but yeah. Once that's in, hit next, and the site does the rest. But the second option, that's the real cheat code. See the copy trending coins tab on the site? It's filled with coins pulled directly from Pump.Fun. But here's the kicker. They're filtered, only the proven ones. That means you're not guessing what works. You're copying what's already pumping. You grab that concept, click copy, then launch it right onto Raydium. And since Raydium lists instantly, you're in front of buyers right away. No delays, no bonding curve, no competition holding you back. That's how I've been flipping coins with high success. Fast, efficient, and always on trend. Alright, enough talking, let's launch something real. This coin right here just caught my eye. It's sitting at a $26.4 thousand market cap and had a fresh buy 6 seconds ago. Literally. Looks active, looks promising, so I'm jumping in. First step, connect your wallet. It's really simple, it's just right here. Then hit create coin. A warning will pop up. Totally normal, just proceed and confirm. Boom, 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 boom. Give it a few seconds. And boom, view on SoScan. As you guys can see, it's officially on the blockchain. Now copy here and click create liquidity pool. Now it's time to move on and create the liquidity pool. This is where a token becomes real, tradable. Your token and your Solana should be auto filled. Set 90% of your supply under token A. Click here. This is your sell side. Then drop 0.4 SOL right here into token B. This is your buy side. Okay, you will get this money back later, just make sure you have enough here. Okay, it's just a first buy inside your own coin. Then click on create pool and confirm in the wallet. Wait a bit, then hit refresh. Then go a bit down and boom, it popped up. The vanity coin matches everything, it's all live. 48 bucks already in profit within 1 second. Click on view on Photon. And boom, now the coin is live. We're up at $12,000 in market cap within like 5 seconds. The volume is at 30,000. We're getting buys in left and right. Let's fucking go. The liquidity is at 15,000. Okay guys, bro, I have to relax, okay? As meme coin launchers, we have to stay fucking dedicated, relaxed, calm, and collective, okay? Because the money can be really good. As you guys can see, we're getting buys in left and right. The money can be really good, but we have to stay fucking focused, okay? Now, what else? Okay, to check your profits, come back to createtokens.fun. Then click on the minus button. No, click on refresh. And as you guys can see, the profits went higher. We're up 1.7 bands off this one launch. Let's fucking go. Now I'm gonna give this coin around 5 to 10 minutes, and we're gonna see where it's at. So be right back. Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm back. It's at a $16,000 market cap. I was actually gone, and it peaked at $25,000. I'm not mad. I still make a lot of money by doing this. I could always launch coins in the future. It's kind of dead. The last buy was a couple minutes ago. Now people are starting to hold their coins for the long-term investment, but I'm here to take profits. So to do that, you'll want to come back to createtokens.fun. After that, click on refresh. And boom, we're up $2,400, which is not bad for a $16,000 market cap. Now click on the minus button to remove the liquidity, and here you can choose the percentage that you want to remove. If you want to do 100% or 50%, that's your choice. Okay, it's all up to you. It's all your choice. You decide how much money you make. Okay, I still believe in the coin. I'm gonna do 30%. Remove liquidity. Your phantom should pop up. And as you guys can see here, we're going to receive 4 SO. So just click on confirm to receive it. And that's exactly how you remove the liquidity. If you want to remove the rest, just do it again. It's that simple. And in my wallet, we received the 4 SO. Let's fucking go. And before you click off, join my Telegram group to contact me personally. Comment, subscribe, and like. And yeah, bye.